I'm Coach Natalie Carey, and today I'm doing modifications for my tonal program, Best for Beginners, Day 1. These are modifications for the warm-up. I start with a march in place or a running in place. So your modifications for this can be the march in place. You can stay here or you can practice your balance, standing on one leg at a time. You can also hold on to the wall next to your tonal and practice your balance here as well. The next exercise that I do is a bodyweight squat. That's the typical exercise. If you need some more support during the bodyweight squat, that's what we've got tonal for. You can hold onto the sides of tonal and do an assisted squat. Or you can use your bench for assistance. Sit down to your bench, then stand back up. Sit down to your bench, stand back up. So these are both modifications for that bodyweight squat. The final exercise that I do in my warm-up is a plank. And I have you down here on the floor, but modifications that you can do, you can use your bench and do an incline plank. You can also come over to your wall and do a plank on your wall. Look at that. You don't even have to come down at an angle. All right, those are modifications for warm-up for day 1 of my tonal program, Best for Beginners.